Difficult for the nation to really sustain itself until we bury her. There's going to be a lot of heartache throughout the nation. Internationally as well, Winnie Mandela had a great impact on the African continent. She's fondly remembered as a very gallant and brave person, and in the international arena, she's also greatly remembered by many people in the anti-apartheid movement, because she was the beacon that many people in the international world looked forward to. And she was one of those who knew that apartheid would be defeated, and that spurred her on an ongoing basis. Even when people would have thought that she would weaken, she would buckle under, Winnie Mandela never did, and her voice continued to reverberate throughout the length and the breadth of our country. So this is South Africa that is in mourning, and at the national government level, we have declared that Winnie Mandela will have a national official funeral, which will be held on the 14th of April, and there will be an official memorial service on the 11th, but then again there will be many other memorial functions right across the country, nearly every province of our nation. And we would like to extend our gratitude and our thanks to many across the country and the world who are wishing us well, who are wishing her movement well, the African National Congress, a movement that she so